Are you also using soap or body wash every single day to clean your body, to take shower? Well, then this video is definitely for you. Do watch this video till end to know what soap can actually do to your skin and what can be the alternatives or the substitutes to using soap or body wash every single day. And let me tell you, these substitutes are hidden in your kitchen only. Hari Om, I'm Acharya Pratishtha. I welcome you at Bharat Yoga English. We think that skin is something which we see on the outer body. But skin is the largest organ of your human body that works as a protector, that protects all other organs. But we have somewhere taken skin as just a symbol of beauty, and we started applying so many chemicals on our skin that we forgot to protect this largest organ of the body, which is actually the protector of other organs. Hence, it's very important that we consciously choose what we are actually applying on your skin. Applying cosmetics on your lips, cosmetics on your face, cosmetics on your scalp, cosmetics on your entire body. It has lots and lots of adverse effects on your entire system. Soap can kill the good bacteria. There are so many other harmful effects of chemical based soaps. So does that mean that we should not apply soap? Well, since past so many years, I have never applied soap on my body. And I have never applied any chemical on my body. And I think I'm pretty neat and clean. And I have not gone through any transmittable disease since past plethora of years. Why? What do you do then? How do you clean your body? We are living in a system where we are being fed that we need these chemicals to clean our body. We need these chemicals to wash our face. We need these chemicals to be applied on our skin. No. Anything that you can eat and anything you can't eat, those are the things you can put in your on your skin, and you can't eat, those are the things you should not be putting on your skin. So today I'm going to take you to your own kitchen and I will give you so many options, plethora of options that are available in your kitchen. Through these options, through these very simple your kitchen items, you can wash your body, and you will see that this is something when you start taking shower with these ingredients that I'm going to share with you in today's video, you will see that, that monotonous routine of taking shower every day, going inside the bathroom and then taking your soap and applying it on your body and then washing it, same fragrance, same, everything same, is going to change. And your taking shower also becomes a wonderful experience. Earlier also, I had shared a video with all of you in which I told you that how you can make your shower process interesting. So I told you 8 things that you can do while taking shower, which can spiritually elevate you and which can physically make you healthy and mentally make you more peaceful and happy. So I'll be sharing the link at the description box. This is the thumbnail of that video. If you have not seen this video, do watch that to make your shower experience a divine experience. Now coming back to the topic, let's straight away start. What are those very simple things with which you can take shower? First is a wonderful mixture of besan, shahad, malai. Now what is besan? Besan is gram flour. Shahad is honey. Malai is the cream of the milk, but not the cream that you get from the market. When you boil milk, it gets deposited at the top of the milk. That's malai. That's the actual cream. And fourth ingredient is lemon. So you take a little bit of gram flour, mix a little bit of honey in it, mix a little bit of malai, cream, the fresh milk cream, and few drops of lemon juice. Now stir it well. This is a wonderful mixture. You apply it on your entire body, and then you take shower, and you will see, because of lemon, you will stay active and alert, and all your dirt that is being deposited on your body will be removed. With malai, your skin will become more smooth, and besan is a wonderful thing to clean your body, and honey gives you more, not just makes you energetic, but it also cleans your skin. So this is a wonderful mixture that you can apply every day for your shower. If you think that this is something, a tedious job to make it, then we have other options as well. Second, very, very interesting thing is we call it khal, sarson ka khal. So I'll just translate it in English. This is mustard cake. You will say, oh, cake, mustard cake. So this is a special food that is being eaten by cow, and it is one of the most powerful food. And not just cow, in the earlier times when people used to do, kasrat and bodybuilding without taking protein supplements, many people used to utilize this khal, sarson khal. So this is mustard cake. When the oil is being made, so the leftover is being, they keep it, and that's called khal. The exact name is khal. So it's a mustard cake, and it is a wonderful scrub. It's a natural scrub. So what you have to do is you keep this. Now it is available on Amazon and everywhere. So mustard cake, you keep it at your home. Take a little bit of this cake and soak it either in milk or just in water overnight. Now, next day when you'll wake up, you will see that it will become like an actual scrub that you buy from the market, which has a lot of chemicals and preservatives and God knows what. But this is a natural scrub, and you apply it on your body, you rub it nicely, and then you take shower. So two things will happen. This scrub is going to clean your skin, and the mustard in it is going to make your skin so smooth, and not just smooth, dirt of your skin will be removed and you will feel more energetic. Third thing is, when you do not have anything else, then you can just do dry massage of your body. So once you enter your shower area, with your hands, you rub your hands like this, and then you give dry massage to your entire body, your underarms, your thighs, and every part of your body. Give a nice dry massage for 10 minutes, and then you take shower, and you will see amazing results, not only on your skin but your entire system and different organs of your body. Fourth and last, when you have nothing, is dry scrubbing. So how do we do dry scrubbing? Dry scrubbing, this is especially for those people who have, oily skin. These days, most of the people have dry skin. That's why the earlier two things that I shared with you are wonderful, not only for dry skin people, but for everyone. But in case you don't have anything, then you can do dry rubbing, which I shared just now, or dry scrubbing. What do we do in dry scrubbing? We take a cotton cloth, we call it suti kapda. So it has to be absolutely 100% cotton. So take cotton cloth, just cotton cloth, you can wet it or you can keep it dry, and rub it in your entire body, at the back of your neck, at your underarms, at your thighs, and every part of your body. This can also be done with a cotton towel. So take a cotton towel and do dry scrubbing. You will see that this dry scrubbing is not just only going to clean your skin, but it is also going to remove the dead skin at any part of your body. So do this dry scrubbing for, let's say, 10 minutes. All your mull, body waste will come out, your skin waste will come out, and your dead skin will come out, and your skin will be absolutely new if you make practice of doing this. Now, last thing, what you can do for the whole week is do it alternatively. Like one day you do dry scrubbing, and the next day you take khal and you take shower with that. Third day you do a dry rubbing, and then fourth day you can just make gram flour, honey, malai, cream, and lemon mixture, and you can take shower with that. So this way, every day you will be having something new to take shower with, rather than taking those chemical-based soaps and body wash every single day. Trust me, we should try to live a more natural life, as natural as possible, physically and also emotionally and mentally. So life becomes very easy if you learn to, you become minimalistic and you learn to become chemical free physically and mentally. So try using it and you will see some wonderful results. If you have any other question, any other query in your mind, do not hesitate to share that with us. And also, there are few people who want to know natural body lotions, because I have seen so many people asking me, Guruma, Please share some natural body wash. Please share some natural body lotions. So if you want to know some natural body lotions, do write at the comment box below, and I'll definitely come up with a separate video on that. Also, you can join Bharat Yoga's Rupantaran course, which is happening from 18th to 20th September. So this is one of those courses that are being conducted by me solely, and we can connect online, and it's a live course, and after 2 years it is happening online. So what are you waiting for? Register for that course, and I'll be seeing you very soon. Those who are coming to the course, I'll be seeing you on 18th, and those who are due to some reasons you're not able to come for the course, but seats are very, very limited. So registrations will be closed very soon once the number is full. And those who could not make or who cannot make for this course, I'll be seeing all of you next Sunday. Lots of love, light, and blessings. Stay happy, stay healthy. Hari Om.